people. It's Jennifer Woolsey. Welcome to my bathroom and welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. We are going to do that quick mom look today. I hope that you guys are all doing well and having a beautiful day and enjoying this holiday season. Although it's different, we can still enjoy it, right? So I have some things to get done today and you're going to get ready with me. So I've already gone in this morning and done my skincare regimen to treat my skin and already primed. Today I'm using my VDL Lumelayer. I needed an extra glow today. Doing all the mom things today. So we needed a little extra glow to our skin. So we're going to use our Cashmere Complexion Liquid Foundation in shade Buttercream. I've got some new stuff coming in that I'm going to be testing for you guys. I'm excited to try some different stuff and give you my review on it. But I don't know how far I'll go away from this foundation because it's by far my favorite. And but we'll try it and we'll see. Okay, so I'm just kind of adding it in on my face, and then we will start to blend with our beauty blender. Bam. You can use, or it's not a beauty blender, it's a blender brush. That's it. I do still use my beauty blender from time to time. I just feel like I get better coverage with the blender brush. So I was thinking this morning about all the things that we as moms do, all the hats that we wear. Especially I was raised by a single mom, so those single moms who do it all. I'm very blessed to have an amazing husband who helps a lot with our boys. But today is my baby's 14th birthday. Oh my gosh, not sure how he can be 14 years old. I have to tell you a little bit about his journey on his about, I don't know, 2.5 weeks before his first birthday. My mom was in critical condition. She was a very bad diabetic. We're going to do Cashmere Complexion Liquid Concealer in shade Matcha. And so she was in very bad shape. And he came down with pneumococcal pneumonia. Crazy, right? Vaccines against that. And he still came down with it. Anyway, so it started a 14-day journey of him being on life support, which was probably one of the most terrifying things in my life to ever go through. But he made it, and he made it like a champ. And now he is 14 years old today. So that was 13 years ago. It's crazy as moms, the things that we remember, you know, about those times. I tend to block out some of it because it was pretty traumatic, but there's still things that come through. Moist Glow, Moist Fix and Mist. We're going to put this underneath these eyes and kind of treat them a little bit. So then on his second birthday, crazy, right? About 3 weeks before his second birthday, he spent 21 days, Magic's Dust, on life support. And that time we learned it was aspiration pneumonia. And that's when we learned that he aspirates on everything that he drinks. So all of his liquids have to be thickened to keep that from happening. And then we had an amazing neurologist that told us this is not just autism, because that's what my boys were actually diagnosed with. And he said, this is not just autism. These other things that are going on with him, like his childhood vaccinations not working and aspiration pneumonia, this isn't normal. So he ran some tests. Because of Lucas, shortly after his second birthday, we got his diagnosis of MECP2 duplication syndrome. I know it's a big word, right? We're going to do our Face Shop pomade in shade Brown. So, get my little handy dandy brush here. My little handy dandy brush. So, what MECP2 duplication syndrome is actually we all have an MECP2 gene in our bodies. My boys have double the amount. Crazy, right? How does that happen? It's just how the genetics added up. So it appears that we know now, but we didn't know before. And I started this on the outside, if you watched me. And now I'm kind of going in to the front. I'm going to fill it in from there. It appears, spam calls all the time. It appears we know now that I actually carry this gene and passed it down to my children. We didn't know that prior to having children. And we knew this side needed a little help there. Get that nose good. We knew that our first son had special needs, but it was diagnosed as autism when we were told that it would be like 1 in a million that our second would have autism too. Hence, Lucas came along and there was autism. Again, what we thought. Okay, so I'm starting mid-arch. I'm just gonna, that was not good. Good thing we can just kind of smudge it off there. I don't know why my hands get shaky every time I tell this story. It's crazy. So it was just kind of our lot that we were given, but my boys have been such a blessing. They have made my husband and I better people. And I think that everybody that they meet is touched and inspired and probably become better people because Caden and Lucas are part of their lives. I mean, I'm not just saying that because they are my kids. I'm saying that because they are amazing little men, just amazing little men. And I gotta even this side up here a little bit. And so brings us to today, his 14th birthday. We are having a party at his school. So I have to go take cupcakes and cookies, and we are doing baked potatoes because that's what he chose. Apparently at 14, you're mature and you want baked potatoes. So his class is having baked potatoes, and then his brother, Caden, who's now 18. Gosh, how are my kids this old? His class is having kind of a little Christmas party too. And so they are having pizza. I gotta take pizza by to the high school. And cupcakes. It's a mom day. We're gonna do our Face Shop Mono Pop in shade Mood Corals. I love this palette. It is such a good neutral palette. We're gonna start with a transition color, and I think we're gonna do this nude. Pick up just a little bit of that pink, and we will transition. We're gonna make a faux crease here. Bring it up just a little bit for those hooded eyes. So what are some things that you do as a mom that you thought, oh, you would never do? You know, I think to me, it's living out traditions that my mom started for us and carrying those over. But the funny thing is, some of the things that, hi sister, okay, sounds good. Funny thing is that some of the things that my mom did for us, my boys could actually care less about. So we've had to find our way to kind of make new traditions. And as a special needs parent, you find new ways to do lots of things. I'm going to take this kind of pale color here, and I think I'm going to pick up a little bit of that peach. And I'm just going to do the cradle. I like to blend. I like to make the cocktail. It's really a pinky. I'm making a cocktail here out of this eye. But I think that, you know, as special needs parents, you learn to adjust. I think as any parent, right? You learn to adjust and shift in life. with family, with friends. So we really look for things to do with the boys that they enjoy. I'm going to go and smoke it out now with these two brown colors here. When I say smoke it out, I mean we're going to smoke it out. You know, I think we start our own traditions as families, and then some we carry on. But my boys love Christmas lights, which was something we did as kids too. But we are constantly looking for Christmas light displays to take the boys to. It's crazy, I know. And okay. So when I say smoke it out, we're just bringing that in and just moving it around. We're not going super dark, just dark enough. Dark enough. I'm trying to make sure that when I have my eyes closed that you can still see that color. Or not closed, but open. Because that seems to be the part that is tricky with a hooded eye. Alright, so I'm going to take my flat brush and pick up just this white, a little bit of that cream that we put in the cradle. And I'm just going to put it right there to highlight just a little bit. Hey Google, next song. Can't have any copyrighted music. I do not own rights to any of this music, or it will demonetize my Facebook page and my YouTube page. Nobody got no time for that business. We're going to do our Super Extend Liquid Liner and line these eyes out. When I went in with that top color, I kind of blended. I don't know if you caught that. I should have pointed out that step. Okay, Google, next song. Again, another copyrighted song.
Here you are, sipping tea, listening to great music, just taking a break from all the busyness.
It was a good song. I liked it.
But wait a minute, is this an ad interrupting your me time? Yes? Yes it is. Upgrade to YouTube Music Premium on your app or online for ad-free music. That means more of this, and absolutely no more of me.
I'm going to have to get a YouTube account, I guess, like paid account, so that I can listen to whatever music I want, whenever I want to listen to it. So what are some new traditions that you have started with your family that maybe you didn't do as a little girl or a little boy? I think, you know, we focus more on, I'm going to go back in and darken this just a little bit. We focus more on the activities and the memories that we make around it versus the presents. They could really care less about the presents. Okay, we did a little curling of those lashes. We're gonna love mascara today and put some mascara on them. Am I the only creepy mom that like remembers every memory of your kids? I mean, sometimes it's the good ones that stand out, but there's also those bad traumatic things that we go through with kids, whether it be sickness or broken bones or their accomplishments and their winning, you know, when they win something. Lucas absolutely loves basketball. Like, basketball is his jam. Love it. Basketball is his jam, and so he excels at it. He does really well at it. We're going to do our Coral Cushion Blush this morning, our Face Shop. We're doing a little Face Shop look. How about that? And I love this product. Just doing a little lighter look. And the cool thing about a cushion blush is you really just dip it in, pick it up, and then this little pad does all the work. It's like a watercolor. Just putting a little kiss on there. I went kind of light, so. What do you think? Let me close these eyes and let you look at those eyes. Yes, girl, we are killing it today with our mom look. Killing it. Okay, we are going to do surprise birthday bomb. We haven't done this one in a while. I love it. It has this beautiful shea butter in it, and it feels absolutely amazing. We're going to spray and mist. Ready? Go. Woo! Set that makeup for all the running around we got to do as moms. I curled and spinned this morning. Oh my goodness, y'all. That Lava Curl and Spin gives that hair all of the curl that it needs. My hair has no body. Bam. And this will stay with me for about 2 days. So my mom look is complete. I'm off to do all the errands and celebrate my baby. Thank you guys so much for getting ready with me. If you want to check out any of these products, you can click on the link below. And I would love to help you color match or answer any questions that you have. Be sure and leave a comment. Share this video. Like and follow my page. Thank you for supporting us in our business, and I hope that you have an amazing day. We'll see you all later. Bye, guys.